Have a weather alert this afternoon into this evening for rain changing to a period of snow that will kind of slow down the evening commute and create some slick roads after dark. We are not talking about a lot of snow. In fact, it's a narrow band of just 1 to 3 inches of snow. And I think it's an inch closer to Boston and the coastline. And then as you make your way westward into the Worcester Hills, that's where we get into some of those 2 and 3 inch amounts. And farther west out toward the Berkshires, highest elevations here could see upwards of 3, maybe even closer to 5 inches of snow. To the north, you're kind of removed from the moisture from this one, so maybe just a coating to an inch for the North Shore and the New Hampshire seacoast. And to the south, it's just a coating to an inch. You see primarily rain before I flip to any snow. But this is just the first system we are watching here. We've got another one coming in on Friday. That is going to bring a wintry mix during the afternoon that continues into the overnight. And then on Monday, a coastal storm with a big question mark because the position of that storm matters and the models are not clear as to where the position of that storm is going to be. If it's more like this GFS model closer to the coastline, this would bring significant snow, wind, some coastal flooding, or if it's farther east, like the European model continues to suggest, run after run after run, then this storm is too far offshore to have many impacts for us locally. So you know the drill by now. At this point in the winter, we have to continue to monitor the tracks of these storms, and it will likely be a couple of more days before we have a good handle on that track. But in the meantime, we're watching this front here off to our west. It is the dividing line, by the way, of some much warmer air. Look at Chicago, 53 degrees this morning. Compare that to the 20s and 30s that we are in here in the Northeast. And so we are on the colder side of that front. But the dividing line is bringing a narrow band of precipitation that is going to edge its way in here as we get into the afternoon. Already starting to see some spotty areas of light rain breaking out this morning, but things will fill in midday, going downhill this afternoon as those temperatures drop, and that's how the rain will change to snow. But yeah, it's going to start as rain as we come into the upper 30s to near 40 degrees this afternoon. So let me take it hour by hour. This is right around midday. Spotty light rain, could be a few wet snowflakes mixed into the north, but more of a transition to snow as we get beyond sunset. So 4 o'clock this afternoon, the start of the commute is wet, and then it does turn snowier with that period of steady snow between 4 and 9 p.m. And then look, by midnight, it's moving out. So it's a small window to accumulate the snow. That's why I don't anticipate all that much. Clearing out late tonight, temperatures teens, 20s, could be some slick spots tomorrow morning. But look at this for your Thursday. We'll take it. A dry day, mostly sunny, temperatures in the 30s to near 40 degrees, light winds as well. A nice day tomorrow, finally. It doesn't last, though, because on Friday, here comes the next area of low pressure. It's kind of spread out, couple areas of low pressure. One could redevelop here to the south. And this is going to bring in snow initially, but it could be mixed with ice and then eventually some rain down here to the south before this kicks out on Saturday. So south of the Pike is where we have the greatest potential for a little bit of icing with this. That means the farther north you are, north of the Pike, is where we have the greatest potential for seeing a moderate snowfall on the order of about 3 to 6 inches or so. But looks like the plows are going to be out with this one, especially to the north. And this gets started around midday on Friday, goes into Friday evening, and Friday night it will be pulling away on Saturday. And then we get a little break Saturday afternoon into Sunday, and then we'll be watching the track of that coastal storm Sunday night into Monday.